guys, Lego Masters and Gaming here, just going to be doing a review on the Crossbones Hazard Heist. It has 179 pieces, 3 characters, Falcon, Black Widow, and Crossbones. Okay, so that's the box. The movie that's off of is Captain America Civil War. Okay, flip it around. Okay, you can pause the video and look at all of that. Put my camera back down, scoop that out of the way, and let's start off with the motorcycle. And I have to get this. There. So, this is Black Widow's motorcycle. This and this, those are stickers. So, you might be wondering what that clip is for. It's for Black Widow's weapon. You can put it there, like that. So, yeah, that's the motorcycle. Balance. I'm surprised it didn't fall down, but okay. So, this one I can't use this. I can't use this for. Okay, so this set does not have any printing on it at all, like on the normal Lego pieces. I'm not talking about like shirts and faces and pants. Other than on Falcon's wings. Falcon's wings have printing, but yeah. So, it has, like, I guess, the Crossbones logo or whatever. Scratch mark. No, I really don't know what these are for, but yeah. I'm not sure what type of car window that is, but it's terrible. Okay, let's take the roof off and look at it. So, the roof is more like a sentry gun. Those don't do anything, they're just for looks. These are the ones that, the little handguns that you push the button. And I'm not, okay, got both of these back, put them back in. It has a little handle on the back, yada yada, we're done with that now. Then inside, there's really nothing other than a steering wheel. There's a gun here. Okay. More scratches, no scratches there, but this here, this is like the only action feature. So you see this here, push that down, these would like go like boom. So pretend like this thing shot it or something, then it would go and explode. So these are what they look like. And then this is a suitcase with a sticker on it, not on the other side. And then open it up, you get that. Really nothing. I don't know what it's supposed to be, because I've seen the movie, and whatever that is, isn't in the movie. So, let's put this back there. We're almost done. We just have to review the people. Let's start off with Black Widow. So, this is her weapon. She has 2 of these. One's on here, the other's here. They're sticks, basically. So, there's Black Widow. There's the printing on the front of her and on the back. I'm pretty sure this is a new hair piece, and I like that. Okay, this is her face and her other face. Let's put her hair back on, and let's put her on her motorcycle. There. Okay, let's go with Falcon. So this is his weapon. He has two of them, just a little handgun. Toss them aside. And here's Falcon. There's the printing on the front of him. Let's get this. Printing on the front and on the back. Let's take the wings off to show you the back of him. That's the back of him. There's one face. There's another face. I think this is a new hairpiece too, and I really like it. And if you're wondering what that piece is for, it is for this little thing. That's a little sticker on it. Goes on like that. It is huge. See? That's what it looks like. So, yeah, it's huge. I really don't like the scaling of it, but whatever. Now let's review Crossbones. This is his weapon. It's like a flamethrower, I guess. This is him. Printing on the front. Printing on the back. And let's take the oxygen mask off. And that's his full face. Put it back on. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye!